Topshun has spent more than 15 years becoming a world-leading manufacturer of hemp extraction, filtration, ethanol recovery, decarboxylation, distillation, crystallization equipment, extract from biomass. Finally, get over 99% purity CBD turnkey solution. Jacketed storage tank to store cryoethanol. Level gauge, thermometer, and PT100 temperature sensor. Explosion-proof control cabinet, centrifugal pump, safely transfers alcohol into the integrated automatic centrifugal extraction system. Pneumatic automatic valve, realizes fully automatic operation through PLC control program. 15 pounds to 220 pounds of biomass/batch. 98% extraction rate from biomass. 97% ethanol removal. Explosion-proof control cabinet controls the centrifugal pump for safe operation. Two-stage multifunctional fine filtration to ensure no impurities. Storage tank is to buffer the solution of crude oil extract and solvent ethanol to ensure a uniform and stable flow into the rising film evaporator. Evaporator has built-in tube. Material is forced to form a film from the tube upward to achieve a uniform film-forming effect and ensure a higher evaporation efficiency. Heat preservation layer design of the plate heat exchanger is completely wrapped by aluminum foil plus insulation cotton plus tape to ensure a good heat preservation effect and obtain a very strong exchange and cooling capacity. This evaporator can collect 200 liters of alcohol per hour. Gear pump realizes 24 hours continuous operation. Explosion-proof vacuum pump. Decarboxylation reactor is to convert CBD-A into CBD. Two-pump unit. First remove a large amount of reagents with water ring pump. Then use oil pump to remove most of the terpene components, which will greatly improve the distillation efficiency in next process. Molecular distillation system. Automatic light and heavy fractions discharge. Double layer insulation ball valve design to ensure that the discharge does not freeze. External condenser and ball valve design can realize continuous operation without affecting the vacuum of system. Crystallization reactor to achieve over 99% pure CBD crystals. Filter funnel is designed with a mobile cart and quick opening design, which is easy to unload and push out. CBD crystals are very convenient to take out. From biomass to achieve pure CBD oil. Crystal drying. Column to remove THC. Customized packaging turnkey solutions. ISO, CE, UL certification. On-site service, installation, video guidance. Topshun, your top option in CBD industry.